Hey, this video is on renaming numbers, which is basically an exercise that we're doing just to help us really understand how numbers work, to help us understand decimals. Just kind of, I'm going to cut past the whole lesson that we did and really just cut straight to what we have to do with this. This number is 45 and 67 hundredths. So if we count how many ones that is, there are 45 ones and 67 hundredths. That's if we're counting it as ones. If we want to look and say, well, how many tens is this? Okay, the way we do that is we say a number up to that place. So we say it up to the tens place. There are 4 tens in this number. Okay? But we can't forget everything else that's there, right? There's more than, I should have put this over here. There's more than just 4 tens, okay? There's all of this, and that would be 567 thousandths. Okay, that's how much we would need to make. We have 567 thousandths towards getting another 10. Okay, so we say the number up to that place, it's 4, and then 567 thousandths. Okay, if we want to count how many hundreds, if I go back and look at this number, there's no hundreds there. There would be a 0 in the hundreds place. What's left after that? Well, I would put the decimal there. So this number, if I want to count in hundreds, is 0.4567. If I count up to thousands, again, this is the thousands place over here. There's nothing there, okay? So if I'm counting thousands, I would say, well, there's 0 thousands, and then it's 0.4567. Okay. Now we're going to take a look at this the other way. We're going to say how many tenths are there. Well, again, when you look at a number, you could say it right up to that place. So we would go up to the tenths place and say there are 456 tenths, and then it's 0.7 left over, 0.7 more to get to the next tenths. Okay, so this is how we can rename numbers, and it's basically what we call unitizing. We're just changing what the unit is, changing what we're counting by. I want to do one more example on the with just a different number. I go back, and this is the one we did before. I wanted a bigger number. Oh, here we go. I'm not going to do all of these right now, but I just want to take a look at this number, and I want to show you a couple of them. So let's say we want to say this is 22,928 ones. 22,928 ones. I keep forgetting. They should be over here. Okay. How many thousands is this number? Well, again, it's 22 thousands. I know that because it's 22 up to the thousands place. Everything left over that is less than a whole thousand, so it would be 22.928 thousandths. Okay, so we can follow the same pattern, and remember, the rule is, whether we're talking decimals or whole numbers, you can call any number just by saying up to that place. Up to the hundreds place, this is 229 hundreds and 28 thousandths.